way to a solar installation project. This homeowner is also getting a backup battery. They did have their old Calpac metal roof that was very old and dented and just not in good shape. That has been replaced, so you'll see that. But come along and see where the installation is at so far. Here is the Calpac metal roof on the roof prior to it being removed. The roofer did find some damaged dry rot plywood underneath the metal roof, so they repaired it in preparation for the asphalt shingle roof and solar. Okay, here we are. I got here and the panels were already installed. All the electrical work is already done, preparing for the main service panel upgrade that got canceled by PG&E. That was supposed to happen yesterday. It's the Powerwall that is in their shed, which is good, but it's also outdoors and protected from the sun elements. Here's the AC disconnect and the combiner box. They got microinverters installed. This main service panel is going to be upgraded to a 200 amp. This is the backup gateway for the Powerwall. And what is this? A sub panel, right? Sub panel for the non-backup loads. So guys, what's crazy is this was supposed to be a 2-day installation because of the Powerwall, but the solar installers came. Let's see if I move farther away, you can see the installation there. They installed the panels. They're a great crew. Installed the solar panels, the electrician doing the hanging the Powerwall and doing all the prepping everything to get ready for the main service panel upgrade. When PG&E schedules that, which they had it scheduled for yesterday, but there was a winter storm warning, and so they canceled it. When that gets rescheduled, then the installers will come back and tie in the solar system to the main service panel. So that is really it, guys. Check that out. Very awesome. So if you're interested in solar for your home, please make sure to reach out to me at jamie@jamiegreenthesolarqueen.com. You can visit my website, jamiegreenthesolarqueen.com, and you can fill out a brief survey, upload your utility bill, and you can even schedule your very own solar appointment with me. We can meet on Zoom or on the phone, whichever you prefer. But let's help you get solar powered, take advantage of the energy that comes from the sun, and save on your energy costs. I'd love to help you out. So have a wonderful day.